south winds up to 10 miles per hour.
Hey guys, it's 9:59 p.m. They said that they will do it at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, and hopefully they do it soon because I am very cold. It's one more minute left. It's like 28 degrees. 28 degrees. I'm just checking right now on my phone. Yeah, it's 28 degrees, and it feels like 27. It's pretty cold. So let's go back to the normal weather radio.
Northwest wind up to 5 miles per hour. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the middle 20s. Southwest wind up to 5 miles per hour. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Sunday and Sunday night, mostly clear. Highs in the upper 40s. Lows around 20. Monday and Monday night, mostly clear. Highs in the upper 30s. Lows around 18. Conducted twice each Wednesday. The first test will occur around noon and the second near 7 p.m. When there is severe weather or the threat of severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties: Marshall, Limaha, Potawatomi, Riley, and Washington. We now return to normal programming. Now here is your national weather.
There you go, guys. That's the weekly test number 2, hashtag number 3. And I'm very cold. So after it's done scrolling, then I'll go inside and upload it. Very cold. I've been out here for like 10 to 20 minutes. There you go, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I don't know what to say next. Show your friends, family. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.